good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Tuning in for another video, man. It's pretty late in the evening, whatever. You know, got the new garage up. We got the blackout drapes and all that over the windows, so that's why it look like it look or whatever. But anyway, man, I'm about to head to the shop. Joe Buddy Racing, man. Y'all saw the last vlog, man. We got Dolo back right, Dolo crispy and all that good stuff and all that. So we about to make it happen, man. I'm about to go. Hey, listen, I'm about to go down there and turn this bad boy up. I'm gonna turn Dolo up, man. Now for real, take it down the street and all of that, and see how it ride and all that good stuff, man. Cause I've been anxious ever since I heard it. I've been anxious, man. I want to take it down the street. Cause like I said, even pressing the gas, it crispier and snappier and all of that. It sounds like a whole different car. But like I said, man, we end up finding out all the valves, man, like all of them. Even on the other side, y'all remember I never took the passenger side valve cover off, so it was like all of them. So that's why the car, when making true power and when sounding like it's supposed to sound, all of that stuff, man. So today I'm about to go hop in the ride and all that and get down to Joe Buddy Racing, man, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen or whatever. Because like I said, I've been real anxious and itchy to drive this thing, man. I've been real anxious. I've been waiting. So yep, that's enough talking, man. I'm about to let the garage up. I'm going out there and shoot, head down the road to Joe Buddy Racing, get Dolo out, and we're gonna see what it do, man. Just have a good time. So this vlog about to be lit, as you can see by the thumbnail. So make sure to stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna get on to crank it up, y'all, so y'all can hear it on the outside. It sounds different, man. I'm telling you. Huh? Yeah. Huh? Oh, it might be. It might be then. So I need to go get some gas. Man, why they had to happen when I'm recording this clip, man? God. Hey, man, y'all spare me, man. Don't hit me in the comment, man. Did not hit me in the comments today. Y'all just hit me the other day with the out of gas stuff.
Let me tell you, so all the kids, I drove the car last night down the road about all the way to Alcova and back. That Joe got out of gas, I had to walk by the kids.
That's what he said. I forgot. Oh yeah, I forgot he was driving it. So
hey,
yeah.
Check this out though. Help me out right here. I got the EFI on this thing with the paint harness.
The EFI on it. So
going down the road to
going down the road in this, y'all. Got the EFI on it and all that. Nice engine and all that stuff. So this bad boy here ready to go. So yeah, everything working. SS lane.
Well, right there. I got everything loose on there, so I got to take the engine back out of it.
Right here.
I got to take the engine out.
So he got to pull the engine out of this.
Barrel crank it up.
Oh, more crank.
More crank. Woo. Mustang got a problem. They drove the rim with no differential dope and welded everything together, so I got to cut it out.
So he got to cut the rim out of this one.
Main Vortex right here, when y'all see it again. Main Vortex right here.
So they getting a Vortex.
No, it got a Vortex.
Got a Vortex.
I did some little snagging to it, this one too. So it's gonna be hard to get with it.
So we're going down. We got a little Vortex set right here.
Yeah.
So yeah, y'all, it's all going down. We're going in. So y'all just stay tuned.
30 in a minute. I thought your brother kept pushing the tire forward. Put it in the trailer. Put it in the trailer, guys. Put it in the trailer.
Unc has done it again. Unc has done it again, man. This thing right. This thing right for real, y'all. Look what it did. Look what it did, man, when I took off. It slung all that junk loose. No lie. It slung everything loose. I had to, it cut off cause the choke wasn't locked down. Cuzzo locked the choke for me. But that the breather, I had the breather sitting in the passenger seat, y'all. When I took off the flap or the breather, this thing here. This thing here nice, man. What you think? How it look, Cuzzo? You were filming coming up the road. How it look?
It look good. It's definitely a race car.
Man, hey, we're gonna take the camera.
Hey, man. Keep that camera rolling, man. It's a race car, man. Y'all
I told y'all who motor it is. That's why it feels so good. It hit old motor. So it might not run on pump gas, y'all. It's hit old motor. So we might not. But yeah, now all jokes aside, I'm blessed that this thing didn't have a cam. It didn't get a cam load. It didn't. The cam is some good. Trust me, you can hear it and you definitely can feel it, man. I wish I was in the car with me. And the reason it want to push the car when you doing a burnout is because it ain't enough vacuum. You know, when you go into a bigger cam cell, you need it take away the vacuum. So the brakes ain't got enough vacuum. So I don't know. I might put a vacuum canister on here so we can help out with the brake. Cause even when I was backing it out the shop, I was kind of nervy. Cause you know I was having to press the brake too hard. But I put a vacuum canister on it, and we'll probably fix that or whatever. That's why it won't hold. I was trying to pump the brakes in there to get the car to hold during the burnout. But yeah, we'll got to fine tune the item mixer screws or whatever. Fine tune it to get it all the way on key. Then we're gonna go to the dyno. We gotta put some nitrous in the bottle, fuel, some racing fuel in the fuel cell, and like I said, back the timing out, put the right plugs in it. Then we're gonna go to the dyno and see what it do. So, but we got my boy Alex over here, y'all. Y'all know Alex. Y'all make sure to hit him up. You know I'm on the screen. He did my deck. Well, we got Alex. We finna check out the deck and all that. So Y'all know Alex, yeah, he gonna get my deck. Y'all saw him do the deck in Big Meats. Y'all been hitting him up too, man. Good turnaround, all that. So he gonna do that, and he gonna get these seats. Gonna get these seats fitted in here too and all that. So we'll start flopping around, cause y'all that passenger seat was laying in the back seat just a while ago. So gonna get that checked out, then we'll catch y'all in a minute. All right. Yeah, nobody. No one get their workout, y'all. He gonna put it in so I can get y'all, let y'all hear the exhaust from the outside again. He had power steering, yo. The fuel pump. The fuel pump went on.
Where is that, man?
The blue switch. The wire, we don't kick the wire loose. We kick the wire loose to the switch, right?
Oh, I turned on.
Nah, dude, that's the nitro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's the nitro. I'll turn on the nitro, y'all. He's trying to go. That thing sounds good. I knew we were gonna do it. Low RPM burnout too. Low RPM burnout. What, it shot something off on there then?
Hey man,
It sparked.
yeah.
Yeah, or it might have hit the rim. We might have to roll it some more.
Should have been right. I should right here.
Oh, we gotta tighten that down though. Alright, y'all. So finna take off, but let me show y'all there. We pulled the plug to see. They let you know, look, clean stuff up. And like he said, it can get better.
To clean up, you see the tip, but you ain't gonna never get that out of there. You gotta get a new plug.
Yeah. But the tip, yeah, look at the tip, it got better. Y'all remember it was black, straight soot, but it ain't running as rich now. So the new plug, it probably be on the money. I'm telling y'all, man, hey, he got the valve, he changed the rocker arms. And luckily, we didn't get no cam load. They just were loose. We ain't get no cam load, so that's a blessing. That's a blessing, boy. I appreciate everybody with the tips and the insight and all that. So it feel good with this. So what we gonna do, the plan is we're gonna run it with this cam. I'm gonna keep the other cam. I'm gonna keep it put up. We're gonna run it with this cam shaft, and then later on we'll switch it out and let y'all see the difference in power. Call right now we got a cam shaft for basically a naturally aspirated cam shaft. It's better for motor with the load separation on it. So we're gonna show y'all the difference. I mean, real world and power and torque and all that. But Unc did his thing, man. That plug was soot black, and now it feel like a whole nother car. It sound like a whole nother car. So much love to my Unc, man. Always getting it right and did it quick. We already had talked earlier on this vlog. I told y'all this is a long vlog, but he did it quick, man. So just leaving down here. Alex gonna try to get down here this week and get the seats fitted. I know y'all want to see that and all that. And Unc gonna finish doing his thing. And yeah, man, that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. When it's all said and done, I'm gonna close out like this. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and get Cuzzo his motor back. This his old motor, he really just let me borrow it. So y'all go over to his video and put hashtag thank you for race motor. That's the new hashtag. Put thank you for race motor. And then we go get it back to him. So that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm out.